Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at. Now, this watch face is not free for the taking. This is a trial watch face that I thought was worthy of a review. Now, they give you 30 minutes to try it out, and if you like it, then you can go ahead and buy it. I thought it's just worthy of checking out, right? So the name of the watch face is called 78 Degrees North Fit. This is nice. Now, what I like about the watch face is in the always on mode, you're going to get the full look for the Gears 3. For the Gears 2, it's going to look slightly different, but you're still going to get the important information at a glance with no problem, right? So if you look at the watch face, up at the top, you're going to get your step count. You're going to also get your calories burned at the top as well, right up under that. You get a nice digital time. You get the name of the watch face, 78 Degrees North, and it is animated. You get your date over here. You get your heart rate right there. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your step goal completed status. You're also going to get your battery information as well, and also you're going to get your distance that you've walked or ran. This is an awesome watch face. Now, if you tap on certain parts of the watch face, it will take you right into that application. So I do like the fact that it is interactive, which makes this really nice. As you can see, I changed the color of the watch face as well. So you tap on different parts, yes, you can go into it. It's going to pull up that information. But if you tap on the 56, you can change the color. Just look around here. You can see the color change. Very subtle, but yet nice. So I thought the developer did a good job on this watch face, and I'm going to give them 2 thumbs up in the door. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again after the Monday grind, right? Take care.